dairy group includes all fluid milk products and many foods made from milk that are also rich in calcium. Calcium fortified soy milk is also part of the dairy group. Foods made from milk that have little to no calcium don't count as dairy servings. Some with little nutritional value include cream cheese, cream, and butter. A good way to get the dairy you need, 3 cups a day, is to drink milk or calcium-fortified soy milk with your meals. Choose fat-free or low-fat milk. If you usually drink whole milk, switch gradually, trying reduced fat 2%, then low-fat 1%, and finally fat-free skim. You get the same nutrition with fewer calories and less saturated fat. If you drink cappuccinos or lattes, ask for them skinny with fat-free skim milk. Here are some tips to help you get enough dairy every day. For breakfast, you can boost your calcium by using fat-free or low-fat milk instead of water in your oatmeal and hot cereals. Make fruit and yogurt smoothies in the blender. Yogurt is a great breakfast food. Greek yogurt is an excellent substitute for sour cream. Use it on potatoes, tacos, and for dips, salad dressings, or sauces. For dessert, make chocolate or butterscotch pudding with fat-free or low-fat milk. Top cut-up fruit with flavored yogurt for a quick dessert. For a snack, have a low-fat mozzarella stick or fat-free or low-fat yogurt. If sweetened milk products are chosen, like flavored milk, yogurt, and drinkable yogurt in desserts, the added sugars also count against your maximum limit for empty calories from solid fats and added sugars.
What about lactose intolerant?
Lactose-free and lower lactose products are available. These include lactose-reduced or lactose-free milk, yogurt, and cheese, and calcium-fortified soy milk. Be sure to shake the carton of soy milk before pouring. The calcium has a tendency to settle to the bottom. There are also enzyme preparations you can add to milk to lower the lactose content. If you don't eat dairy products, you can get your calcium from calcium-fortified juices, cereals, breads, rice milk, or almond milk. Tofu and other soy products and leafy greens like collard and turnip greens, kale and bok choy also provide some calcium. Oils are not a food group, but they do provide essential nutrients. Here's what you need to know. Oils are fats that are liquid at room temperature, like the vegetable oils used in cooking. Canola and olive oil are good choices. Oils come from many different plants and from fish. Some, like sesame oil, are used mostly as a flavoring. Solid fats are fats that are solid at room temperature, like butter and shortening. Solid fats come from many animal foods and can be made from vegetable oils through a process called hydrogenation, which is not a good thing for your body and your health.
Good fat is good? Got it.
Solid fats and oils provide the same number of calories per gram. However, oils are generally better for your health than solid fats because they contain less saturated fat and no trans fats. Trans fats are chemically altered to give foods a longer shelf life. Trans fats are often found in commercial baked goods, crackers, icings, margarines, and microwave popcorns. Be sure to read the label and look for the word hydrogenated. Skip those foods. But do include moderate amounts of foods that are naturally high in healthy oils, like nuts, olives, some fish, such as salmon and albacore tuna, and avocados. There are also foods like these that are mostly oil. With these, you want to read the label for a product that has 0 trans fats.